Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video I'm going to show you two indicators and the results of two indicators is more than 97%. So do not need to miss any point and just we have need to start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel, must like my video. Okay, we have need to start our video and you can see there are here you can see a volume indicator, and the second indicator there are RSI band and RSI ribbon and the band lines as well. Okay, when you see there is a sell volume and you got the sell signal, you have need to go for the sell trade. Okay, when you see there is a sell volume and you got the sell signal, you have need to go for the sell trade. Okay, and you have need to book your profit here. Okay, and let's move further. Here you can see there is a sell volume, you can go for the sell trade, but it's not recommended because we did not get the sell signal so far. When you got the sell signal and there is still sell volume, you can go for the sell trade. Okay, it's so simple strategy, just watch the volume and follow the buy or sell signals, that's it. And where you have to put your stop loss, the main question is where you have to put your stop loss. Simple. This is 100% non-repeated. Signals come on time, it will not come delay. Each and everything is 100 non-repeated. So when there is a volume, you have need to go for the sell trade, and where you have need to put your stop loss, just calculate the distance from the candle where you got the entry sell. Okay, you have need to calculate the distance from this point to lower band and pick it up and इसको just and okay, that's fine. Actually there is some issue in my mouse. Okay, that's fine now, and we have need to watch it again because there is some issue in my maybe something issue. I we missed this indicator, so let's distance. Here you can see this was our we calculate the distance. You have need to drag and drop on the upside of the candle, and here you have need to put your stop loss. This is your stop loss. Okay, this is your stop loss. Here this one is your stop loss, and you have need to book the profit when any candle touch to the lower band line. That's it, nothing more, just follow the rules. Here you can go for the sell trade, and you can see RSI can help also help you a lot. Like here you can see no volume no candle close below from the RSI, and this candle close below from the RSI, so this is your confirmed trade. Okay, let me show you some other results like this one. Here you can see this candle closed below from the RSI ribbon and the volume is red, so this is your confirmed trade. Okay, just go for the sell trade here, and so this is very close, and if you need you can go for the sell trade. Okay, and let me show results in Euro USD and some other pairs like gold. We have need to show you the results in also gold and some other pairs as well. Okay, I will show you the results of all the trades. Like me show you here, there is no momentum here, but the strongly buy volume, and you can see this one. Here you can see the candle close upside from the RSI ribbon, so this is your perfectly buy position, and put your stop loss according to my strategy. Like this one is your buy trade. Okay, and this is another buy trade. Okay, this is true buy trades, and both trades are profitable. You can see the results of these two indicators. Okay, let's move further. Is you can see here you can see we got the buy signal, but here you can see there is no volume. So what you have need to do, when there is no volume and you got the buy signal, you have need to go for the buy trade. When there is no volume and you got the sell trade, let me show you. Here you got the sell volume and you got the sell signal as well, so you have need to go for the sell trade. Okay, and when there is no volume and you got the sell signal, you can go for the sell trade. Here you can see another perfectly position. Here you can see this is another perfect trade, and you can see how much profitable trades you are getting by using single just two indicators. Okay, and here let me show some previous results. Here not no, yes, here there is no volume and you get the buy signal, so you have need to follow buy signal and it will give you the profit. So far you can see you are getting zero fake signal in the whole study. You are getting zero fake signal. Zero fake signal, actually it's a very big achievement. Here you can see there is no volume and you're getting sell signal. After that you got the sell volume also, but here this is the confirmed trade and you can go for the sell trade and book your profit. This is the buy trade. You got the buy volume and you can follow the buy signal. Okay, and let's move further and let's see. Here there is no volume and you can see you are getting buy signal, so you can follow this buy signal. Okay, and there is huge volume, buy volume, and this is actually a very good position. Okay, and so on. You can see the accuracy is awesome. In the gold, let's move to the gold, and we have need to see the results in gold. Here you can see there is some small sell volume and you are getting sell signal, so you have to go for the sell trade and you can book your profit here. Okay, there is no volume and candle is very close to the lower band line. Unfortunately you did not get the sell signal, but you have need to go for the buy trade. Okay, and you can book your small profit here, you can book your profit here, you can book your profit here. Okay, now here you can see there is no volume and you getting buy signal, so you can go for the buy trade and you have need to book your profit here. You can book your profit here, you can book your profit here. Okay, let's move further here, and here strongly buy and sell volume. There is buy and sell volume. Okay, so do not need to go for the buy or sell trade. When you can see there is only sell volume and you getting sell signal, so this is your perfectly sell position and you can see the results. Okay, and now this is there is no volume and you getting buy signal and you can see now you are in some good profit. Okay, you can go for the buy trade from this point and you can go for the buy trade from this point, and you can see now you are in some good profit in the gold in a 5-minute time frame. This strategy work on all time frame. Let me show you some results in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, and let's see. There is no volume. There is no volume. You can go for the sell trade, but unfortunately you did not get the sell signal. That's also okay. But here you can see no volume and you're getting the buy signal, and you can see you got the profit trade. And now here you can go for the sell trade, you can book your profit here. Okay, it's also a very profitable trade. Okay, if we move further, you can see here, you can see you got the sell signal and there is no volume. So what you have me to do, you have me to go for the sell position, put your stop loss that I show you at the start of the video. And here you can see you are getting buy signal, there is no volume, you have need to follow buy signal and you have need to book your profit here. Okay, so on, and let's move further. Here you can see there is some buy volume when you are getting the sell signal, so do not need to go for the sell position. After that you got the sell signal and so on. Here this one is your, you can go for the sell position from this point. Okay, and it's give you some awesome profit. Okay, and here you can see there is no volume and you getting buy signal. At first you got the buy signal here, because there is no volume you getting buy signal, so you have to go for the buy trade, another buy position, and put your stop loss according to the rules that I show you at the start of the video. And here you have to put your if you do not know how you have to put your stop, let me show you again. At this point you can see you getting buy signals, so what you have need to do, you have need to calculate the distance from this candle to this one point and put your stop loss, just drag and drop this line to the where you had where you got the buy signal from this point, and after that you have need to put your stop loss here. Okay, this one is your stop loss and you have need to book your profit here. This is a very simple strategy, not a difficult one. Even a very beginner can use this one easily. okay, who do not know how to go for the buy and sell position, each and everything they do not know. Just use this indicator and you will get the amazing results. Okay, and this is totally 100% non-repeated. Just you can see there is some Y volume and you get a buy signal, so you can see the results. Okay, in the previous you can see, and from this point there is some Y volume and you can go for the buy position. Unfortunately you did not get the buy signal, but you can go for the buy position and you can see the market goes upside and you got some amazing profit. Okay, let's move further, and you can see this is strongly sell volume and sell positions are giving you awesome profit. Okay, and here you can see strongly sell volume, strongly sell volume, and you can see the results of sell trades. Okay, you can see the sell trades results. Okay, it's awesome. The first trade you got the profit here, second trade you got the profit here, third, fourth and fifth trade, and all the fifth trades are profitable. The sixth trade, seven trades are profitable. All the seven trades are profitable. You are getting so far 100% accuracy by using only the volume and the buy and sell signals for. Okay, and you if you follow this like, let me show you here. If you will follow this one, like this one, you can see the RSI is also red, and so this is very strongly, you can say a very confirmed trade, and you can go for the sell position here. Let me show you here. You can see the RSI ribbon is red and you are getting sell position, and the volume is on the sell side, so this is a very strongly sell position, and you can see you got amazing profit. Okay, all the time you will get amazing profit. You can use this strategy in 5 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, even you can use this in 1 hour time frame as well. Okay, there is no issue. You can use this strategy in every time frame, in every pair: gold, forex, stock, Indian market, in future market. You can use this in every market. Okay, and this work exactly same. I think there is some internet issue, but I gave you the all details how you can get this script. Let me show you. These are my script. Let me show you here. These are my point scripts, and if you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. These are my one more thing. These indicators are paid. Just in few dollars you will get my all script. Okay, you will get my all script and you will get amazing profit all the time. Okay, just in few dollars you will get my all script, and if you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram, and you can also contact me on my Gmail. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember, write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels and they are scammers, so stay away from them. Hopefully you will love my video and must subscribe my channel and must like my video. And you will enjoy the profit all the time by using simple my strategy. Here you can see the buy volume, you getting the buy signal, and you can see the results. Okay, you can see the results are amazing one. Here's the sell volume, or you can see a no volume, and you're getting sell signal, so you can see the results. Okay, amazing strategy, you will love it, and all the time you will get awesome profit. Just need to contact me if you need my indicators, and you will get profit all the time. Okay, just I think I give you the all details, and if you don't know how to add the script in your trading view chart, that's also okay. I will also help you if you need my indicators. I will, and lot of people do not know how to add script. I mention how to add script in my previous video. A lot in I think in my all videos I mention how to add the indicator in your trading view chart, and if still you have any problem, do not worry. I will help you a lot. Okay, I'm providing all the support, and hopefully you will must subscribe my channel. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care, and must like my video and must subscribe my channel.